Hi, I'm Mike with today's latest cryptocurrency trends. The recent news of crypto CEO kidnapping has sparked concern in the industry. The daughter of a prominent crypto CEO is reported missing, and it has raised questions about the safety and risks associated with the crypto world. Pierre Noisat, the CEO of a French crypto company, has also been targeted in a kidnapping attempt, highlighting the vulnerability of high-profile individuals in the industry. This has led crypto expert David Ballin to warn about the potential negative impact on the reputation and adoption of cryptocurrencies. Another trending topic is the regulation of crypto, with a Swedish casino without a Swedish license accepting crypto as payment. On the other hand, the value of Bitcoin has been on the rise, reaching record highs and causing excitement and speculation among investors. In terms of use cases, the popular card game Gods Unchained is integrating blockchain technology, while the digital art project CryptoPunks recently sold a single NFT for over $69 million, showcasing the potential of cryptocurrencies. Sports betting platforms are also starting to accept crypto, providing a more secure and decentralized way for users to place bets. And speaking of new cryptocurrencies, Dog and Me has gained attention with its community-driven approach. Platforms like DexScreener and Bybit are offering tools for users to analyze and trade their digital assets, while the concept of BlockDAG is gaining traction for improving scalability and efficiency in blockchain technology. Despite the challenges and risks, the crypto industry is evolving and attracting more attention. With its growing adoption and use cases, it is clear that crypto is here to stay. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.